Hello and good evening. So I'm here to present about human computer interaction, chapter 4.0 Universal Design Case Study 2. So my teammates are Nanda Kumaran, Sivabalan, Sriram and myself Sarvin Rao. So the problem is many people with health condition like diabetes or high blood pressure have trouble keeping track of their diet and exercise. So for solution, we are creating a simple app to help them. This app will easy to use, simple screens and clear buttons for everyone. Speak to you. Users can talk to the app instead of typing. Big buttons and text are easy to see and touch for people with poor eyesight. Track your food. User can easily log what they eat. Remind you. Gentle reminders to stay on track. Show your progress. Visual chats to see how you are doing. Why is this helpful? Better health helps people manage their condition more effectively. Easier to use. Designed for everyone, no matter their age or ability. More motivation. Seeing progress can inspire people to keep going. So, first I'm going to present about interface 1, that is home screen. For universal design principles, perceptible information, clear and concise information is presented visually and orally. Operable controls, large, easy to tap buttons with clear labels. Simple and initiative, minimalistic design with a focus on core features. Multimodal interaction, voice commands. User can control the app using voice commands. Touchscreen, initiative touchscreens interaction for easy navigation. For alternative modes, high contrast modes improve visibility for users with low vision. Text to speech converts text content into spoken language. For accessibility features, color contrast, high contrast between text and background for better readability. So this is for the interface 2. So overview, the screen appears to be part of a dictionary app service that aims to create personalized meal plans. It's asking the user to input any food allergies they may have. Overall, the screen design is generally well executed, providing a clear and user-friendly interface for collecting allergy information. The suggested improvement aim to further enhance the user experience and accessibility of the app. For design consideration, clear and concise. The question and explanation are straightforward, making it easy for the user to understand the purpose of the screen. Visual clarity. The allergy options are presented in a clear and visually appealing manner using distinct buttons. For user control, the previous and next buttons provide flexibility for the user to review or skip steps. Okay. So for key elements, the progress indicator shows the top left corner displays a progress indicator 1 of 4 suggesting a multi-step process, and the second one is question. Any ingredient allergies is prominently displayed. Explanation, a brief text explains the purpose of collecting allergy information to offer you the best tailored diet experience. We need to know more information about you. For the skip button, a skip button is present, likely allowing the user to proceed without specifying allergies. Allergy options. A list of common food allergies is provided as selectable buttons: gluten, dairy, eggs, soy, peanut, wheat, milk and fish. For the navigation button, previous and next buttons allow the user to navigate between steps.
Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the accessibility features in the fitness app. So first of all, from the universal design principles, clear and concise information about food items, calories and macronutrients. It is easy to use because the buttons for adding food entries. The next is multimodal interactions. We can use voice commands. User can add food items by using voice commands. The next thing is we can scan barcode. Let's say we are buying things from the shop, we can scan the barcode from the thing we buy, then the information will be stored on the app. The next thing is alternative modes. Text to speech converts text content into spoken language for users with visual impairments. So the next is accessibility features. Large font size improves readability for users with low vision. Color contrast, high contrast between text and background for better visibility. Now let's see about the app's overview, design considerations and overall screen design. So the screen appears to be a part of health and fitness app, likely focusing on nutrition tracking and meal planning. It displays the user's progress for the day, including calorie intake and macronutrient breakdown, along with meal suggestion and other features. For overall, the screen design is well structured and visually appealing. It provides essential information in a clear and concise manner. The suggested improvements aim to enhance the user experience and functionality of the app. According to design considerations, visual clarity, the screen effectively uses color and layout to distinguish different sections and information. So different section use a different color so that they can divide it and see it correctly. User friendliness, the progress summary is concise and easy to understand, while the meal suggestions are visually appealing. And engagement, the encouragement message adds a positive touch, motivating the user to continue their healthy habits. Okay, let's get into the interface of the screen on this app. So there are key elements. So there are today's progress. So the navigation bar indicates the current screen. Okay, meal plan. There are meal plan for us. Then suggest a button to access a meal plan feature. Then we can have the grocery list. This grocery list will suggest a button to access a grocery list feature, and there's a chat button suggest a button access to chat or messaging feature. So there's image of the healthy foods, and there's a meal suggestion display a visually appealing image of a healthy meal, and there's an encouragement message to encourage us to eat healthy, and I mean give a positive feedback to the user. And the macronutrient breakdown, they give the calories consumed from fat, protein and carbohydrates, and the calories, they will display the total calorie we eat every day. That's all from this slide.
Hello, my name is Nandakumaran. So I want to explain about case study 2. So this is interface 3, exercise tracker. So the universal design principles is perceivable information, clear and concise information about exercise types, duration and calories burned, operable controls, easy to use buttons, for selecting exercise types and tracking duration. So the multimodal interaction is voice commands, such as users can start and stop exercise tracking using voice commands. Touchscreens, intuitive touch interactions for selecting exercise types and adjusting duration. The alternative mode is text to speech, converts text content into spoken language for users with visual impairments. Accessibility features, large font size, improves readability for users with low vision, color contrast, high contrast between text and background for better visibility. The overview of the interface tree is the screen appears to be part of a health and fitness app, likely focusing on weight management and calories tracking. It displays the user's progress, including weight, body fat percentage, and calorie intake. The overall is the screen design is generally well executed, providing a clear and user-friendly interface for collecting allergy information. The suggested improvements aim to further enhance the user experience and accessibility of the app. So the design considerations of this interface is visual clarity. The screen effectively uses color and layout to distinguish different sections and information. And user friendliness, the progress summary is concise and easy to understand, while the graphs provide a visual representation of trends. Engagement, the track new weight button encourages user interaction and data input. So this is key elements of the interface tree. So the header is greetings, hi Rebecca, personalize the experience, and the setting buttons is provides access to app settings, and navigation is journal, suggests a button to access journal or log features, and then favorites suggests a button to access list of favorites, exercise recipes or other resources. And the weekly progresses are calories, displays the total calorie intake for the week 1284, along with a breakdown of macronutrients, fat, protein and carbohydrates as percentage. So the latest measurements is weight, shows the current weight 72.4 kilo and body fat percentage 21%. After that weight trend, a line graph visually represents weight changes over time, and track new weight button encourage the user to input their current weight. Lastly, calories, so such as calorie intake, display the total calorie intake for the day. Goal progress, show the percentage of the calorie goal achieved 89%. And lastly, bar chart visually represents calorie intake over time.
Hello everyone, my name is Siobhan. Today I'd like to explain about interface number 4 and number 5. Okay, let's check out the interface number 4. Here we have 4 things to discuss. Number 1 is universal design principles. Okay, in universal design principles, we have perceptible information, clear and concise visualization of health data, including graphs and charts. And we have operable controls, which is easy to use navigation buttons to explore different health metrics. Number 2 is multimodal interaction. We have voice commands. User can request specific health insight using voice commands. Touchscreen, intuitive touch interaction to zoom in and out on graphs and charts. Okay, the third one is alternative modes. Text to speech converts text content into spoken language for users with visual impairments. And the last one is accessibility features. We have large font size, improve readability for user with low vision. And the second one is color construct, high contrast between text and background for better visibility. Okay, now I'd like to explain about design considerations. Okay, clean and minimalist. The design is clean and uncultured, focusing on the chat interface. User friendliness. The chat interface is intuitive and easy to use, with clear message bubbles and a simple text input field. Personalization. Your personal nutritionist title and the use of the user's profile, which create a personalized experience. So overview is the screen appears to be part of a nutrition coaching app providing personalized meal plans and guidance. It focuses on a chat-based interaction between the user and their personal nutrition. So overall is the screen design effectively facilitated communication between the user and their nutritionist. The chat interface is well designed and user-friendly. The suggested improvement aim to further enhance the user experience and communication features of the app. Here we have the key elements of interface number 4. As you can see, here got 3 things to explain, which is header, chat interface, and navigation bar. Okay, in header we got 3 things to discuss. The first one is user profile picture. Displays the user's profile picture. Second one is title. Your personal nutritionist clearly stated the purpose of the app. The third one is menu button. Suggests access to additional features or settings. Okay. The second thing is chat interface. Here we got chat history. Shows a conversation between the user and their nutritionist, including message and timestamps. Second one is text input field. Allows the user to type and send messages. And the last one is voice message button. Enables the user to record and send voice messages. Okay, the last one is navigation bar. Here we got 4 things to discuss. The first one is today. Indicates the current screen or the home screen of the app. The second one is meal plan. Suggests a button to access a meal plan features. The third one is grocery list. Suggests a button to access a grocery list feature. And the last one is chat. Suggests a button to access a chat or messaging feature. Okay, we come to the last interface number 5. Here we have 4 things to explain. Number 1 is universal design principle. Here we have perspective information, clear and concise information about app settings and preference, and operable controls, easy to use toggles and sliders for adjusting settings. The second one is multimodal interaction. voice commands. User can adjust settings using voice commands. And then we got the screen, intuitive touch interaction for selecting and adjusting settings. The third one is alternative modes. Here we have text to speech, which is converts text content into spoken language for user with visual impairments. The last one is accessibility features. Here we have large font size, improved readability for users with low visions, and column construct, high contrast between text and background for better visibility. Now I'd like to explain about the design consideration. We have three things to discuss. First one is visual appeal. The use of a high quality image and clear typography enhance the visual appeal of the screen. The second one is user friendliness. The information is well organized and easy to read, making it convenient for users to follow the receipt. The last one is interactivity. The ability to adjust ingredient qualities adds a level of customization for the user. So the overview is the screen appears to be part of a receipt app, focusing on a specific dish, for example ramen. It displays the receipt details including a visually appealing image, nutritional information, ingredients and cooking instruction. So the overall is the screen design is well structured and visually appealing. It provides essential receipt information in a clear and concise manner. The suggested improvement aim to enhance the user experience and functionality of the receipt app. I have come to my last part, which is the key elements of the interface number 5. Okay, here we have some things to explain. The first one is receipt image. A high quality image of the prepared ramen dish is prominently displayed. And we have receipt title. Ramen is clearly visible along with the meal type, lunch, and estimated cooking time 50 minutes. And we have nutritional information. The nutritional breakdown is presented in a clear and concise format showing energy, proteins, carbs, and fat content. The fourth one is servings. The recipe is designed for 2 servings. The fifth one is ingredients. The list of ingredients is displayed along with their quantities. The sixth one is ingredient quantity adjustment. Buttons are provided to increase or decrease the quantity of ingredients. And the last one is start cooking button. This button likely initiate the cooking process, possibly opening a step-by-step guide or timer. Okay, that's all from me. The next slide will be presented by my friend Sriram.
Okay, impact on different users by this app. Patients with different tech proficiency and age. Intuitive interface, easy to learn and use for users of all ages and tech proficiencies. Voice commands enables users with limited dexterity to interact with the app. Patients with vision and hearing impairments. High contrast design improves visibility for users with low vision. Text to speech, convert text content into spoken language for users with visual impairments. Audio cues provides auditory feedback for users with hearing impairments. So patients with chronic conditions, personalized tracking tailored to individual needs and goals, reminders and alerts help users stay on track with their health goals. Integration with healthcare providers facilitate communication and collaboration. Other potential users, healthy individuals can use the app to track their fitness and nutrition goals. Athletes can use the app to monitor their performance and recovery. Healthcare providers can use the app to monitor their patients' progress and provide personal recommendations. That's all from me.
So the conclusion of this case study 2, by prioritizing universal design and accessibility, this health tracking app can empower a diverse range of users to take control of their health. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can further enhance the app's capabilities, providing more personalized and proactive support. The future of health technology lies in creating inclusive solutions that benefit everyone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.